So just wait for one more minute. Let's see how many more are joining.
Good afternoon, sir.
Meeting yet? Yes, good afternoon. 15 students have joined.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, today we have to do from G exercise.
Yeah. So have you all done till question F of the exercise?
Yes, sir.
You all have done F?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So just a quick revision of how to compare two decimal numbers. This
Okay,
is
sir.
just an example. I am
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good afternoon. I am giving you just an example. You don't have to write it in your copies. Okay. You don't have to write it in your copies. Just an example to make the concept clear. So I'm writing two numbers here, 0.4 and 0.0125. These are the two numbers.
Sir, should I tell?
These are the two numbers. You have to compare the two numbers and tell me which of the two is greater.
Sir, 0.0125.
0.0125 is greater.
Yes, sir.
So please remember this, that when this is only what I wanted to teach you. All of you.
No, sir, 0.4. 0.4.
Yeah, 0.4 is greater. Now, how do you compare two decimal numbers? First thing, the very first thing is that count the number of digits after decimal in the two numbers. How many digits are there after decimal?
1 and 4.
Here there is
1 and
one
4.
digit and here there are 4 digits after decimal.
4.
So what you have to do, you have to make 4 digits here also. So add 3 zeros. Now there, how many digits are there?
4.
This I have already told you. If you write 0.9 or you write 0.90 or even if you write 0.9000000 as many zeros as you want to add, all these are the same thing. All the three are the same thing. These three are equal. You can add as many zeros as you want after in the end, after the decimal. Clear or not? How many zeros you want to add, you can add as many as you want. Okay. So these are the same thing. These are all equal. So what I have done, I have added 3 zeros. Can I add 3 zeros from my side? Can I add? Is there any problem in adding 3 zeros?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now you can easily compare the two numbers. Now you tell me which of the two is greater.
Sir, 0.4.
0.4.
This one is greater. So that means
0.4000.
the crocodile will open its
0.4.
mouth this side. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good.
sir.
Wonderful. So, let me ask you another one. Another one I'm going to ask here. 4.7 or 5.0089. Which one of the two is greater?
4.7.
4.7. So 5.0089.
5.0089.
5.0089. 4.7.
Okay, so how many digits after decimal?
5.0089.
Okay, listen. I've got your answers. Okay, I've taken your answer. Let me just tell you which one is correct. How many digits after decimal here?
4.
4.
Here? How
4
many?
digits.
In this
1.
1. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros I have added. Now you can compare the numbers. So first,
4.7000.
decimal digits.
5.008.
Now you compare. Now you can see that the first digit here is 4, here the first digit is 5. Which one is greater? Second one is greater.
5.0089.
5.0089.
Yeah. Understood all of you?
5.00.
Sir, I was not in the last class, so sir, can you please tell that how to convert the decimals into fractions?
Beta, you can watch the recorded video. I have sent all the videos, okay, in the group. Today also I will share the video, recorded video. All the videos are there. So YouTube
Sir,
videos
can
are
you
there.
explain one only?
Listen, beta, listen. YouTube videos are there. So you can message me on WhatsApp. I will share all the videos with you. YouTube videos. So you
Okay,
can,
okay,
in
sir.
the last class video, the date is also mentioned. The date is also mentioned in the name of the video. So whichever video you want to watch, you can just see the date. The date is there. See the date and you can see it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is a YouTube channel. So name of the channel is on my name. Rasik Tandon is the name of the channel. You can watch the videos on that channel. Okay. I will share the video today also. Now circle the lowest number in each row. So this is question number G. First part, I am writing all the three numbers. 5.07,
Sir, do we have to do in book or notebook?
5.70. Do it in the book only. 5.17. Okay. So which one of the three is the smallest? Find out the lowest.
5.07. 5.07.
5.07.
5.07.
Yes, correct answer.
Sir, we have to do it in a copy or in book?
Do it in your copies. Sorry, book. Do it in your book. I'm sorry. Circle the answer in your book. So here, in all the three numbers, you can see the number of digits are 2. Here also 2 and here also 2. After the decimal, there are 2 digits in each of the cases. So easily you can compare the numbers now. This is the smallest. Any doubt in this? Second one,
No, sir.
19.72, 17.92, and
17.92.
17.29.
17.29.
17.29.
Last option.
Number of digits are
17.29.
You have to do them in the book. Do these questions in the book. Okay. Third one. you have any doubt, you can ask. 3.081.
53.081.
388 and 603.18. Smallest number you have to find.
6.388.
Yeah, obviously.
53.0.
Beta, this is the smallest.
6.388.
This is
6.388.
This is 53
6.388.
and this is 6. Obviously, this is smaller. 53 and 6. Which one is smaller? This is smaller. Clear? You don't have to look the digits after decimal because the number before the decimal, first you will compare that only. This is 53, this is 6, obviously, this is smaller. Okay.
Done.
Done.
Sir, I had done H part also.
Question 10. Circle the highest number. Do them in the book only. I am waiting for you all to give the answers. Do
Sir,
all
Sir,
the
done.
parts.
Sir,
done.
part also.
Do yourself. Do yourself. So I will call out the name. The student will give me the answer. I will name the student. Only that student will give me the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So by the time we can give our attendance?
Sorry. Yeah, listen. So Lavanya Bhojwani will give me the Lavanya, switch on your video. Beta, turn on your video, Lavanya. Lavanya Bhojwani. Yes. Now, beta, give me the answer of the first one. Switch on your mic first. Yeah, now give the answer. First one.
92.15.
92.15. Very good. Correct answer. The answer of the first one is 92.15. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next, now
Yes, sir.
the one who will give the answer is okay, Rishika.
So 186.818.
186.18. Again correct. Correct answer. The questions are very easy in this. I don't think they have given the
Yes,
questions
sir.
simply. They should have given better questions. Okay. Very good, beta. Correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next is Nandini. Give the answer of the third one.
The third one is 73.25.
73.25. Yes, correct answer. 73.25 is the right answer. Very good. So All of you, have you all checked your answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My all the answer correct.
Very good. Okay.
All correct. Sir, all correct.
Wonderful.
Sir, all are correct.
Okay, now can you arrange the numbers in ascending order in I part
Yes,
of
sir.
the question?
Yes, sir. It is too easy.
Sir, we have to do this in the book.
Can we
do this in book or fair not?
Yes, do it in the book only. So, in the book.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number will come first and then you will go in the increasing order and the largest will come at the last. Smallest will come
Sir, I
first,
have done.
largest will come at the last. This is known as ascending order. Increasing order. Arrange the numbers.
Done, sir.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Ascending order.
Sir, done and checked.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Sir, I have also done.
Sir, I have also done.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, done.
Done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, so all of you have done.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait for 1 minute.
So now can we do the descending order? So now can we do the descending order also?
Sir, done
Yes,
descending
yes,
order
yes,
also.
yes. Do the next question. In the next one, you
Sir,
have to
done
correct.
descending order also.
Very good. In the next one, question number J, you have to arrange in descending order. Do that also. There are 3 parts only. Do it.
Sir, the question contains 400.400
Sorry, beta.
point.
Sorry again. The voice is not clear.
Sir, first one was sir, first
I'm not able to hear you. You do one
Sir,
thing.
please check.
You type your problem in the chat box.
Sir, please check.
Whoever was asking, your voice was not clear. You can type your problem in the chat box. Yes, beta, wait. Karan Lamba is there. Beta, switch on your video, Karan. Karan, switch on your video.
Here I have sent it on the chat.
Yeah, I will tell you, Karthik Khandelwal. I will tell you what to do in this case. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Sorry, Karan, what are you saying? Karan, are you there? Switch on your video, beta. Karan is not there.
Sir, I am here.
हाँ बेटा वीडियो ऑन करो.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Karan, tell me the answer of I first part. Ascending order वाला जो है. Give me the answer of the first one.
Sir,
Ascending order. Smallest will come first, then the second, then third, and
sir,
then.
I'm. Sir, 32.42, then 32.47, then 32.72, then 32.74.
Yes, correct answer. Very good. All correct. Have you all checked? Have you all checked your answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, correct.
Yes, sir. Put on.
Okay, next, Ayushman Nana. Ayushman Nana. Beta, I am not able to see your face. Yeah, now it is better.
Sir, now?
Yes, yes. Now tell me the answer of the second one.
7.09, 7.0, 7.03, 7.09, 7.33, 7.39.
Very good. Smallest number is 7.03. It will come first.
Yes, sir.
Then second 7.09. Then third
Yes.
7.33. And the last one 7.39. Correct. Very good. So all of you have checked your answers, or you want any help in this?
Yes, sir, correct.
Yes, sir. All correct.
Yes, sir, all correct.
Any help required?
Yes, sir, correct.
No, sir.
Correct, sir,
No,
correct.
sir.
My answer
No
is correct.
need.
Okay, very good. Next, Ishika Mittal. Ishika beta, switch on your video.
4.05.
Wait.
4.
Wait. Ishika, where is your video? Where are you, Ishika? Yeah. Yes. Now tell me the answer of the third one.
4.05.
Voice is not coming, beta. Voice is not coming, Ishika.
4.05.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
4.50. 5.04 and then 5.40.
Very good. All correct. Very good. So, someone was saying that my voice is not clear, because there may be a problem in the network at your end. Okay. Please check if the network is proper or not.
Okay, sir.
And yeah, one more time I'm repeating the answer. Smallest number is 4.05. Then second 4.50. Third 5.04, and the last one 5.40. Correct.
Sir, now it is clear.
Very good. Next one, Atish Singh, have you done the first part of the J
Yes,
question?
sir. Descending order. Sir, can I tell?
Your t-shirt's color is matching with the wall's color. Very good. Nice.
Oh, yes, sir.
Do you always sit
Sir,
like
can I
this?
tell?
The
G1?
color, do you always match the color of your t-shirt with the wall? Or it is by coincidence?
Sir, it is background only. No, I have read it only.
It is only by coincidence. Very good. I was joking. So the first one, tell me the answer of the first one.
Sir, G1.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. 400.93, 400.9, 400.39, 400.093.
Yeah. So, Karthik Khandelwal, you were having a little problem in this.
Sir, can I tell?
Have you? Sorry,
So can I tell second?
I am telling. Understood.
Can I tell the second one?
So I am telling this one on the board. Okay, one more time I am telling this one on the board because this is a little different than the rest of the questions. Okay, so first I am writing the question, then I will write the answer. This is the question. This is not the answer. 400.39, first one. Second one was 400.093. Third one is 400.93. Third one, and the last one is 400.9. So these are the four numbers. First of all, what you have to do here is count the number of decimal places in each of the numbers. How many decimal places are there in the first one?
1.
There are 2 digits. 2 digits after decimal. So this is known as number of decimal places. How many number of decimal places are there in the second number?
3.
3.
3 is a 3, sorry.
And in the third number, how many decimal places? 2. And in the fourth one, there is only 1. So first of all, highest number of decimal places are there in the second number, 3. So you will make all the numbers with 3 decimal places. So this is again the same question. I am not writing the answer. I am not writing the answer. I am first making the decimals like. These are known as like decimals. 400.390, first one. Second one, 400.093. You can see that I have added 1 0 in the first number. In the second number, same 4.093. Third number, 4.930. Again, a 0 is added in the third number. And the fourth number, 400.900. 2 zeros I have added in the last number. Now you compare the numbers. Which one is the greatest number? Greatest number.
So 400.930. Sir,
Third number.
400.930.
So in descending order. In descending order, the answer is first number is 400.930. Third one. Then this is the greatest. The number which is smaller than this is 400.900.
Why?
400.900. Second. The fourth one comes to the second place. Who will come at the third place? Which number will come at the third place?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
400.390.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Better wait,
Sir, I have a doubt.
Let me complete first. 400.390 and the
Okay,
last
sir.
one is 400.093. Now you ask, what is your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is that, sir, if we did not write the last zero, so sir, the answer will be
No
correct or
problem,
not?
but your answer should be in the correct order. If you are not writing the zeros, no problem. If you are writing like this
Okay, sir.
and this, there is no problem. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then also it is correct. But the order should be correct.
Yes, sir. My order is correct.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So now
sir.
check your second and third part also.
So done.
Sir, done.
So done.
Done? All of you?
Sir, please wait.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, we have to give attendance.
Yes, you all can write your name in the chat box for the attendance.
Write your name in the chat box. मैम वो लिख दीजिए अर्जुन शर्मा. Sir, I have sent the attendance. Sir, I have sent my attendance.
Okay.
I also. Sir, I have given my attendance.
Sir, I have
also send the attendance.
Sir, we have to send the attendance in chat box.
Yes,
Sir, I
beta.
have given my
Send your attendance in the chat box. Write your name and give your attendance.
Sir, I
Your-
have given my attendance.
Yes. Your message will be received by me. It will go to me privately. So all of you have given the attendance. So second and third part also.
मेरे
you all-
क्लास चल रहे थे 2 मिनट में शादी में
Beta, my-
Sir, we have to give attendance on your chat box.
Even Naman, keep your mic off.
Sir, do we have to give the attendance on your chat box?
Yes, in the chat box you have to give the attendance.
वो कितनी सुंदर हैंडराइटिंग है. तुम मत
On yours? On yours?
Yes, yes. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. K. How many lot of questions are there in the exercise? Question K. Add the given decimal numbers. First part, you have to add the decimal numbers. You have done this in your previous classes also. 62.78 plus 27.6. You have to add these two numbers.
Sir, we have to do this in copy.
Yes. Do you all know how to do this?
Is 90.38.
Well done. Sir, I can do rest of the part.
Can I tell the answer?
Beta, Unnati, you can, Unnati is not able to hear me. Unnati, you can.
89.84.
So how to do this? Very simple, 62.78. First of all, you all must learn how to write it. So decimal will come below decimal. First, I am writing the decimal of this number. Now you write the decimal, 27.6. Decimal will come below the decimal. Okay?
भाई मेरा बॉक्स फटाफट दे मेरा बॉक्स फटाफट दे
Hey, beta, keep your mic off. Ayushman.
Sir, I have done the K and L also.
Okay. So this is the number. This is how you add them. So decimals should come under each other. Okay. So 8, 7 plus 6, 3, 1 carried. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7. Write the decimal first. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 0, then 1 carried again. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So answer is 90.38, the first one.
Sir, it is too easy.
Sir,
Yes.
my answer is correct.
Have you all checked your answer?
Yes, sir.
My answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the meeting is about to end. We will have the class tomorrow now. So that's it, all of you, for today.
Sir, please explain this
Okay,
addition
bye.
again.
Sorry, who's asking?
Sir, I am asking.
Okay, beta, I will tell you tomorrow. Don't worry. Again, I will explain.
Okay,
Okay,
bye,
class
sir.
is
Thank
about to
you.
end.
Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
The
Bye,
meeting
sir.
will end automatically.
Bye,
That is.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.